Today, in this quick 2-minute bioinformatics tutorial, we will learn how to easily identify pathogenicity genes in a bacterial genome using the Virulence Factor Database, VFDB. In this 2026 tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple and efficient workflow to help you quickly screen for virulence factors and better understand the pathogenic potential of your bacterial samples. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. Click the VF Analyzer button to start the analysis. Select the genome's genus and provide the strain name. If you are using your own draft genome, select the raw FASTA sequence option. Specify a reference genome and select the genome for comparison. After submission, a job ID will be generated. Be sure to save this number, as you'll need it to check your results once the analysis is complete. To view your results, head over to the Retrieve tab and key in the job ID you saved earlier. The virulence factors will be categorized accordingly, and you can download the results for further analysis. Before we finish, a quick shout out to the institutions and agencies behind this platform. We've also added a scientific citation if you want to explore the topic further. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.